Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your computer is turning off the display or going into sleep mode when your battery is charging on your Chromebook. So if everything is idle and you plug in your charger and your display turns off or goes into sleep like I said, I'm going to show you guys how to turn that off so it won't do that. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it, and we're going to start by selecting the clock icon at the far right corner of the shelf, and then you want to select the setting icon, so go ahead and select that. Select the main menu icon top left corner, and then you want to go down to device and go ahead and left click on that. Select the power option, and then where it says when idle and then when charging, you see there's a drop down here. You want to go turn this to keep display on. So if it says sleep or turn off display, you want to change it to keep display on. And there you go, simple as that. You can just close out of here at this point, and there really isn't that much more to do. Really, there isn't anything else to do. You're good to go. So thank you for watching, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.